But when we see things like what has happened this week, the poor innocent children being just killed by a young boy, 18-year-old, what does that tell us? You see, unfortunately, what politicians do, they start putting barricade. Everything happens, they put a barricade now around the school, around the teachers. Now you might be seeing teachers walking with full protection, bulletproof. All kids, they might start putting bulletproof on everybody. They all believe in just prepping that. But what does Allah tell us? That we need to prepare the human being. You see, if the mind of that 18-year-old boy was prepared in the righteous path, if the upbringing of that right boy was groomed into faith in God, righteous deeds, he would not have think of doing something like that. So instead of trying now to put all this bodyguard and security, which is how human beings think, and no fault of that, that's what politicians do. They work on what you see publicly. They got to work on what you see publicly. What Allah teaches us is that you prepare that person so he does not commit the crime. See? That's how Islam operates. That's how God operates. The vision of Allah, who is our creator, He knows best. So He has taught us in the Quran how to prepare the human beings that they don't do those animalistic and criminalistic deeds. So nowadays, if you look at the school system and the political system, it's all about security around the school, security around the this, security around the that, and the children, they left them wild. I don't mean the kids that got shot, the boys, the other students. They don't teach them God. They have taken away God from the school. They have taken away things like good deeds. So what do you expect the students to grow up to be? Animals. So they can go and shoot innocent children because they have no faith in God. They don't know what is righteousness. They don't know what is doing good. Think about an 18-year-old boy. Not only did he shoot and kill these kids, have you been following the news? He shot his grandmother. He shot his grandmother before doing that. No love. Think about it. Two of the worst crimes that you can do in the world. Kill your parents, your grandparents, shoot to kill them. And innocent children, two out of the extreme. Innocent children taking an innocent life. We don't even know if this is not a situation where there was a fight with two men for one woman, or somebody drunk, or some drugs in some situation. Two extreme things in Islam. Innocent people killing children. 100% forbidden, no ifs and buts. A grandmother shooting. Anyhow, in the second khutbah, we'll continue a little bit in the Quran. Why Allah concentrates on human beings. If we would make the human beings, their minds, their hearts, and make them a true human being, then they will not commit animalistic deeds and do these wild things. But unfortunately, people who do not have God in them, they will start securing this instead of guide training that is coming this way. That's what it's called vision. The second khutbah will continue based on the line.